Once there lived a boy named Rihan, in a small town surrounded by cheerful people. But Rihan was not one of them. He was kind, honest, and always ready to help others, yet no one seemed to notice him. When he tried to talk, people looked away. When he shared good ideas, no one listened. But when someone else said the same thing, everyone clapped and praised them loudly. Rihan often sat alone at lunch. He saw others laughing, talking, and sharing secrets, but no one called him. He whispered to himself, "Why does nobody value me? What's wrong with me?" Slowly, sadness took over his heart. One evening, tired of feeling invisible, Rihan walked out of his home and kept walking. He crossed the village and entered a quiet forest. There, beneath a great banyan tree, he sat down, closed his eyes, and cried silently. After a while, a calm voice said, "Why are you sad, child?" Rihan looked up and saw an old saint, with peaceful eyes and a gentle smile. The saint sat beside him and said kindly, "Tell me your pain." Rihan said, "People ignore me. They talk nicely to others, but treat me as if I don't exist. I feel useless and unwanted." The saint nodded slowly and said, "Tell me your problems, one by one." Rihan took a deep breath and spoke. 1. People don't value me. 2. They praise others, not me. 3. No one wants to be my friend. 4. Even when I do good, no one notices. 5. I feel like I don't belong anywhere. The saint listened silently, then smiled and said softly, "My boy, these problems are not outside you, they are lessons to build your strength. Listen carefully. I will tell you what to do, life forever. 1. Value yourself first. Others see you the way you see yourself. 2. Don't beg for attention. Silence also has power. 3. Work quietly. Let your success make the noise. 4. Be kind, but not desperate. Help others, expect nothing back. 5. Focus on improving every day. Growth is louder than words. 6. Stay calm when ignored. Their behavior shows them, not you. 7. Protect your peace. Don't let negativity live in your mind. 8. Believe in timing. The world will notice when time is right. 9. Build skill, not sympathy. People respect results, not complaint. 10. Forgive, but move on. Don't chase those who can't see your worth. 11. Shine silently. A lamp doesn't ask for eyes, it just gives light. Rihan listened carefully to every word. His eyes filled with tears, not of pain, but of new strength and peace. He folded his hands and said, "I understand now. I don't need others to value me. I must build my own light." The saint smiled and said softly, "Yes, my child. When you focus on becoming better, not bitter, those who ignored you today will admire you tomorrow." Rihan bowed respectfully and walked back home. He no longer tried to please everyone. He began studying hard, learning new things, and helping others silently, without expecting anything. Months passed, and soon, his achievements spoke for him. The same people who once ignored him now said, "Rihan, you've changed, you've become amazing." Rihan just smiled gently. He didn't need their praise anymore. He had already learned the greatest truth. When you focus on your growth, the world will eventually notice your glow. Moral: don't be sad when people ignore you. Build yourself, improve daily, and let your success speak louder than their silence.